I want to cook fried noodle and sausage. Do you want to see the cooking process? You want? Okay, let's cook. Why? We need materials. Where are the ingredients? Oh, there! Here there are seasoning, oil and soy sauce, noodle, sausage, plate and pans. We take water and pour it in the pans. We wait until the water boils. Looks like the water is boiling now. Now let's pour the noodles. Now it's time for us to stir the noodle. But I take effort first. Already. Now I want to take a filter. It's time to put this noodle on the plate. Time for us to stir. Now I want to fry sausage. We take the oil and we pour it. I turn on the stove. Let's fry the sausage. Done. Time to put it on the plate. Already become my fried noodle. It's time for to me eat. It's so yummy. Let's bite. Now my noodles are finished. Thanks for watching my video and see you to next video. Goodbye.